Hey everyone, welcome to the Most Hub, your go-to source for all things luxurious and expensive. Today we're talking about the ultimate dream cars, also known as the hypercars. These are not your average sports car, these are the creme de la creme of the automotive world. These vehicles are the pinnacles of automotive engineering and design. So buckle up and let's drive through the world's 10 most expensive hypercars. Coming in at number 10 is the Koenigsegg Jesko, worth a whopping $3 million. This car is the epitome of automotive engineering and design. Now here's a fun fact for you. The Koenigsegg Jesko is named after Christian von Koenigsegg's father, who helped him build his first car at the age of 5. Talk about a family affair. Let's move on to the 9th most expensive hypercar in the world, the Koenigsegg CCXR Trivetta. This car has a jaw-dropping price tag of $4.8 million, making it one of the most expensive hypercars ever produced. So, what makes this car worth the cost? For starters, it's made with a unique diamond weave carbon fiber body that's been coated in a special diamond dust resin. This gives the car its signature shimmering appearance. And the process of creating it is incredibly time-consuming and labor-intensive. The CCXR Trivetta is also powered by a twin supercharged V8 engine that produces a whopping 1018 horsepower. It is one of the fastest cars in the market, as it can go from 0 to 6 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. But with great power comes great responsibility. The Koenigsegg CCXR Trivetta has had its fair share of controversies as well. In fact, it was the subject of a lawsuit between Koenigsegg and the US government over allegations that the company illegally imported cars into the country without meeting certain safety regulations. Next up, at number 8 on our list is the Mercedes-AMG Project 1. With a price tag of $2.7 million, this beast of a car is a technological marvel that combines the best Formula One engineering and performance with road-going practicality. Under the hood, the car is powered by a 1.6-liter V6 hybrid engine, which can produce over 1000 horsepower, allowing it to reach the speed of up to 217 miles per hour. The interior of the car is just as impressive, with carbon fiber bucket seats and a Formula One-inspired steering wheel. The car also features a touchscreen infotainment system and a high-end sound system. The Mercedes-AMG Project 1 has been praised for its handling and performance on the track, with many experts saying that it represents the future of hypercars. Now it's time to dive into the 7th car on our list, the Hennessey Venom F5 Roadster. With a price tag of $3 million, this car is an absolute beast. The American-made hypercar is the brainchild of Hennessey Performance Engineering, a Texas-based company known for their high-performance upgrades on already powerful vehicles. The Venom F5 Roadster is not just an upgraded vehicle though. It's a complete reimagining of what a hypercar can be. With a top speed of over 500 km per hour, it's one of the fastest cars ever made. The car's interior is just as impressive as the exterior. It features a minimalist design with only the essentials, including a digital display that provides the driver with all the necessary information. The car's seats are also designed to keep the driver and passenger firmly in place during high-speed maneuvers. Ranked at number 6 on our list is the Aston Martin Valkyrie, with a price tag of $3.2 million. This car is a true marvel of engineering and design and was developed in collaboration with Red Bull Racing. This hypercar is a hybrid featuring a V12 engine and an electric motor that together produces over 1000 horsepower. The exterior of this car is sleek and aerodynamic, with a minimalist design that is both beautiful and functional. The car's interior is equally as impressive, with a futuristic cockpit that pulls the driver in complete control. This car is not only incredibly fast but also incredibly rare. Only 150 units of this hypercar will be produced, making it a true collector's item. Some of the notable features include its lightweight construction, which is achieved through the use of carbon fiber materials. The car also features an advanced suspension system that is designed to optimize handling and performance. The 5th most expensive hypercar is Bugatti Bolide, a car that combines extreme performance with futuristic design. With a price tag of $4.7 million, this car is not for the faint of heart. It's a car that's built for speed. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.2 seconds and has a top speed of 311 miles per hour. Oh boy, that's faster than most plane takeoffs. The design of the car is a thing of beauty. The Bugatti Bolide has a futuristic look that's both sleek and aggressive at the same time. The car's body is made entirely of carbon fiber, which makes it both lightweight and incredibly strong. In the fourth spot, we have the Pagani Huayra Imola, which comes with a price tag of $5.4 million. This car is a true masterpiece in the world of hypercars. It's named after the famous Imola racetrack in Italy, and only 5 of these cars were ever produced, making it an extremely rare and exclusive vehicle. The car features a powerful 6-liter twin-turbo V12 engine that produces an incredible 827 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.2 seconds. The car's design is inspired by the Pagani Huayra BC, and the Huayra Imola is even more aerodynamic and lightweight. The Pagani Huayra Imola is not only incredibly fast but also packed with advanced technology, including active aerodynamics, which help to optimize the car's performance based on driving conditions. It's also equipped with a cutting-edge titanium exhaust system that enhances the car's acoustics, making it sound as good as it looks. The interior of the car is just as impressive, with a unique design that combines comfort and luxury with high-tech features. The car's seats are made of carbon fiber and covered in a special material that adapts to the driver's body, providing maximum control during long drives. With a top speed of over 230 miles per hour, it's a dream car for any hypercar enthusiast. And now we have arrived at number 3 with the SP Automotive Chaos. Priced at a staggering $6.4 million, the SP Automotive Chaos is a hypercar that truly lives up to its name. It's an absolute beast on the road with a top speed of 330 miles per hour and mind-blowing 3000 horsepower under the hood. The Chaos boasts a sleek and futuristic design with carbon fiber body and a mid-engine layout. It also features state-of-the-art technology, including a custom sound system that can produce up to 150 decibels of sound. The interior of the Chaos is just as impressive, with a minimalist design that emphasizes the car's speed and power. The seats are made from the finest leather and the dashboard is equipped with a digital display that provides the driver with all the necessary information. So who would want to own a car like the SP Automotive Chaos? Well, it's definitely not for the faint of heart. This hypercar is for those who crave the adrenaline rush of pushing a car to its limits and who want to own a truly unique and exclusive vehicle. And now we're down to the top 2 most expensive hypercars in the world. At number 2, we have the Bugatti Dici, with a price tag of whopping $8 million. This beauty was created to pay homage to the legendary Bugatti EB110, which was launched in the 1990s. The Dici boasts a powerful 8-liter V16 engine. This hypercar features a powerful 8-liter W16 engine that can produce an astounding 1600 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful hypercars in the market. But that's not all. The Dici is also a limited edition model with only 10 units available for purchase. It's capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds with a top speed of 236 miles per hour. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. The most expensive car in the world right now is the Bugatti Chiron, which was sold at the RM Saudi auction for a jaw-dropping $10.8 million. This one-of-a-kind hypercar is truly a masterpiece of engineering and design. The Bugatti Chiron features a stunning exposed carbon fiber bodywork. The car has a powerful 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine that produces an astonishing 14.79 horsepower. At the RM Saudi auction, the Chiron attracted a lot of attention and was ultimately sold for a record-breaking price, making it the most expensive hypercar in the world right now. The Chiron is truly a unique hypercar, and it's no surprise that it's fetched a high price at the auction. With its stunning design and incredible performance, it's sure to be a highly sought-after collector's item for the years to come. And there you have it, the top 10 most expensive hypercars in the world. We hope you enjoyed the thrilling ride through the world of automotive luxury and engineering excellence. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more exciting videos like this one. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications. And if you like this video, share it with your fellow car enthusiasts.